In this tutorial, I will show you how to create conversation starters or icebreakers. Users will see questions about your business instead of the generic Get Started button. Come join me as I show you how to use the Conversation Starters feature. Go to Settings, then Channels, choose Facebook Messenger, and edit Conversation Starters. Here, you will customize the question or key phrase you want to appear on your conversation starter list, as well as the corresponding flow it triggers when selected. Conversation starters allow users to start a conversation with a business with a list of frequently asked questions. We recommend you use the Conversation Starters feature to help users start a conversation with your business. Once you're all set, click Save. Time to test our Conversation Starter feature. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions or need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline in the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.